The Veikk A50 10x6-inch digital graphics drawing tablet is a versatile tablet for entry to mid-level artists. The tablet weighs 2.13 pounds and measures at a total of 14.9 by 8.7 inches. The package includes a battery-free pen, 8 replacement nibs, a nib remover, a pen pocket for storage, USB cable, and a quick guide. The driver software for this tablet can be easily found on their website at Veikk.com. One of the first things I noticed about their site is how clean it looked compared to most other driver software sites. I did run into some minor hiccups during the driver installation, but that's mostly due to me incorrectly following the steps. Make sure you don't have any other tablet driver software installed on your system before installing the Veikk tablet driver, and make sure the tablet is plugged in before you start the installation. After a quick restart, the tablet is ready to go. If you have multiple monitors, you can set the active screen area to be throughout all of them or just limit it to one. You can even set custom active areas on the tablet itself, which is a nice bonus. The tablet has 8 tactile buttons and a touchpad routed for 4 directional gestures. This touchpad is actually really nice for manipulating screen zoom and pen size without having to reach for the keyboard. Of course, all the individual buttons are customizable to any macros you want as well. The pen feels extremely light and comes with 2 buttons that can be customized. Personally, I don't find myself using these as much, and I often accidentally press one of the pen buttons with my thumb during drawing. The drawing performance of the tablet feels good. I really like the texture between the tablet and the pen nib, giving it a paper-like feeling. There is plenty of active area to work with, so you can get precise lines. After doing some practice runs with the tablet, I found myself drawing comfortably. One minor complaint is that the pen does not come with any pen stands or holders aside from a little pouch. If you find yourself losing your pen easily, you might want to get yourself a stand. Otherwise, this is a non-issue. The Veikk A50 graphics tablet is a lightweight drawing tablet that can easily fit inside your laptop bag for on-the-go digital art. For the price, it is a highly recommended drawing tablet for beginner and intermediate digital artists. As a fan of sleek design and portability, this drawing tablet gets my recommendation.
Me one more time.